RoadCommandPro. One admin, one subscription, your whole crew unlocked. Here's how it works. You subscribe to a team, business, or enterprise plan, and you get a set number of seats. Team gives you 250, business gives you 1,000, enterprise is unlimited. Your admin email becomes the umbrella for the entire organization, the single point where all your billing, users, and data live. From the team management page, you invite crew members up to your seat limit. The moment they accept, they're automatically set up as a standard user with exempt status, full platform access, no separate subscription, no extra paperwork, no credit card. They never come in as admins or supervisors. Only you, the tier admin, can promote someone from the team management page. Want to give a foreman supervisor rights? One toggle. Want to revoke access for someone who left? One toggle. Meanwhile, every plan, scheme, pin configuration, and sign placement is locked under your admin's email, completely invisible to every other organization on the platform. Team Admin A's data and Team Admin B's data never cross paths. You only share a project with a specific email when you explicitly choose to. And if your subscription is ever canceled, downgraded, or a payment fails, every invited user under your umbrella automatically loses their exempt status. Access pauses instantly until you're back on a plan with enough seats. One subscription, one admin, total control. That's seat-based team access on RoadCommandPro. RoadCommandPro. From design to deployment, all in one platform. Email us at contact@roadcommandpro.com or subscribe at roadcommandpro.com.